Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm gonna show you how to save reels from Instagram in Android or iPhone. So first of all, open Instagram account. So this method using iPhone and Android phone. So first select a reels. Now I'm selecting this reels. Tap on here. First copy link and go back. Go to Google search bar. Type here to Instagram video downloader. Tap onto first link. And you need to just paste here the copied link. Tap onto download. Scroll down. After that, download video. And download. Okay, successful. And now I'm checking my gallery. Okay, now done. So that's how we can easily save reels from Instagram using Android phone or iPhone. If in this video helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe our tutorial review channel for more video.